There's lots of times where I need times with either one-on-one or groups settings where I need to keep one group busy and another with me. Initially, the setup is actually quite quick. They are so quick to learn the Reading Eggs system that honestly within a month they're on their own, doing their own programming. I level them, they click and go. The placement testing is also a great big surprise for me at the beginning of the year. It was nice to see that, oh good, I have kinders that they have some recognition of letter or sounds. It was neat to see that. Being that it's so individual, those quick learners are quick, and it shows the other ones that are not necessarily struggling, but it's new. It's new to them. The following of the science of reading, the scope and sequence, very well done. Very helpful in that it is step-by-step following that science of reading idea of introducing only one idea, one task at a time, building on it, going back, reviewing. The most valuable aspects of Reading Eggs that I find and that I use the most often is the reading with a specific sound rule. Like if I'm looking for a blend task or something specific to a sound, it's just an easy task to assign or reassign and keep track of their progress. With reporting, I utilize it as who's been on task, basically checking in to see who's been doing their work, who's been practicing these skills. I appreciate that I can see after 20 minutes who's done what and what they've accomplished and who I need to check in with more often. The benefit that Reading Eggs has for older students is that they may be at a lower level, especially if students are at a lower level in those older grades that need the extra intervention. It totally has stories that affect that age of students. It's not just little kids, it's not just my little guys. There are things for every age, for Div 1 up to grade 4 for sure. They enjoyed the little rewards that they get. It's a big deal when I print out the certificates at the end of a lesson or a skill and that they get it and they take it home and it's something that they've accomplished. They really enjoy, oh, when are they getting the next one? How much do they have to do until get the next one? So the kids are very engaged and looking forward to the next one.